Hello everyone, I'm Avinash and I'm back again with an amazing resource for job seekers. If you are looking for remote jobs, then this video is especially for you. Before starting the video, if you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe for more regular updates related to startup list, placement material and many more. So previously I have shared some startup list of major Indian cities like Bangalore, Pune, Hyderabad and 2024 funded startup list and some free DSA resources, aptitude material, Mumbai startup list, Pune, Noida and many more. Okay. So let's start the video. In this video, I am sharing with you 100% remote hiring companies with their career portal, LinkedIn profile, industry they belong, headquarter and year of founded. Okay. So let's check. If we click any of the link, it will redirect you to their career portal. So I have added directly career portal. So here you can see it's a remote job, so you can just go to their career portal and apply which matches your profile. Okay, fulfill all the requirement, like this is for experience. If you are a fresher, then check out some fresher openings, visit more startup lists like these. So here if we visit our hiring, so these are the roles that for which they are hiring: engineering manager, director sale. So in this you will get for all the rails, for sales, for uh, engineering role, for data science. So you have to go through all the startup list which matches your profile. Do apply in that. Okay, if you don't find any hiring list, then cold email them, like they have mentioned their email IDs. Then do cold emailing, ask about any inquiry for the job. Okay, or try to contact the employees on LinkedIn for referral. So this is for front end full stack. If you open, then you'll get all the updates, the requirement. Okay, and you can directly apply. So like this there are many lists. Visit every website and find the list of openings. So mostly we will find for experience, but in some case you will be also find for freshers. So check every website, and there are many emails which have been mentioned where you can do cold emailing, like they have asked, like, do let us know why we should hire you or what you have. So while writing that cold email, study about their company, what they do, and create a compelling cold email. Okay, so I will bring more startup list and more resources for you guys. And if you need any help, do comment in the video. So for this to apply, you need a good resume template, you need cold email and cover letter. So I have that. If you want it, do comment in the video. I will share it with you guys. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.